Are you ready to start building your own AI agents? To build your first Copilot without writing a single line of code? In my Copilot Studio workshop, I'm going to teach you the skills to go from zero to hero, to go from having an idea to realizing that idea with AI-powered assistance and doing it fast. You'll learn the skills to create AI agents that are both secure and reliable. We're going to ground them in your knowledge, trusted, credible knowledge, like your business website, books or documentation that you have, or perhaps something on your SharePoint library. I'll teach you how you can connect to real-world data, like your ERP system, such as Dynamics 365 Business Central, or some other important business system that you might use. I'm going to teach you skills on how to use the latest technology, like MCP, Model Context Protocol, and creating agent swarms where agents can talk to other agents. You're going to learn how to create autonomous agents that can work independently and relieve the burden that your team might have today solving customer service needs. So whether you're trying to build agents to deploy on your website, to deploy on Teams or Slack or Facebook, or perhaps embed in your own app, whether you're building agents that are going to be used for customer service, or to help your team members get to information quickly, or to help your business do things more efficiently, you'll learn all those skills right here in our workshop. I've been delivering this Copilot Studio workshop all over the world over the last 2 years. And on our website, you're going to read some testimonials from students who've sat through it and have learned some very important skills. So whether you're an IT professional, a developer, or just somebody who loves AI and wants to learn the skills to build your own agents, you've come to the right place. By the time we're done, you will have built your first AI-powered Copilot. And trust me, you're going to be hooked. So reserve your spot now, and let's build something smart together.